What's up, guys? For today's video, I'll be taking a look at the all-new 2020 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Then I'll show you many of the features on the interior and exterior. So since the Camaro was freshly redesigned in 2019 and GM gave it a facelift and upgraded a few modifications, it left 2020 without any major changes. My current tester is finished in Riverside Blue Metallic, which was a new colorway for 2019, and they added upgrades like the 20-inch black wheels and the black appearance package, which made this car has a window sticker of $41,000 with more than $3,000 in options. So the engine on this car is the upgraded 6.2-liter V8 that makes 455 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 455 pound-feet of torque at 4,400 RPM, connected to the 10-speed automatic transmission that sends the power to the rear-wheel drive, and it can go 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds and make 16 in the city and 24 on the highway. So on the driver's side, you have the window control. The driver and the passenger side window is fully automatic. Right above it, you have the mirror controls. You also have lock and unlock with the door handle. And right below there, you have the speaker, a trunk opener, and a small storage. And on the steering wheel, you have 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel. On the left-hand side, you have your cruise control. On the right-hand side, you have your radio controls, phone controls, and the instrument cluster. You also have your favorite channel and your volume controls. And behind the steering wheel, you have your paddle shifters. You also have your automatic light control with a turning signal and your windshield wiper. And on the screen, you have your speeds with trip A, B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, timer, and a blank page. You also have your performance. You have your oil temperature, oil pressure, battery voltage, transmission fluids, tire temperature. You also have your audio control, your navigation, your phone, and your options. You have your launch control, your units, the theme. You have 2 themes you can choose from, the standard and technology. You also have your information pages. You can customize the vehicle information and the performance pages. And your speed warning. And right along the center console, you have the 8-inch color screen. Right below, you have the radio controls. You have dual zone climate controls. You also have the all-new 10-speed automatic transmission with backup camera and guidance lines. You also have the traction control, your mode selector, You can choose from Tour, Sport, Track, and Snow and Ice. You also have the electronic parking brake, 12-volt power outlet, and 2 cup holders. And on the screen you have your audio control. You have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and your Bluetooth. You also have your phone controls, the Wi-Fi hotspot, the user. You can customize the vehicle for different drivers with the keys. You also have your settings. You have the Apple CarPlay, the Android Auto, the different apps you can download from the store, your OnStar service, and your climate controls. And on the window sticker, the standard vehicle price is $37,000. They added the 10-speed automatic transmission, the dual mode exhaust, the black metallic rally stripes, the 20-inch black gloss wheels, and the black appearance package, which includes the black spoiler and the front and rear black bow ties, which all comes up to $41,455. Here's the final assembly. 5-star safety ratings and fuel economy.